All right, similar to how we did our car purchases above, you have a demonstration video there, we are going to find a home purchase. So it's going to be very, very similar. The first thing you're going to do is use realtor.com and find a house that you like. I use Zillow. It's all right if you use that as well. So I've got a house here, 308 North 18th Street. So I'm going to get that in there. 308 North. House square footage. So my house square footage, 1,474. And the price, $289,900. Notice that has to be a max price of $300,000. So I'm going to change this. So you can use Zillow if you want. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good website. So next thing, it says number 2, it says your down payment is 20%. Key a formula in column E to multiply the base price times 20%. So last time for our car, we just did a straight $5,000. Pretty common for a house for your down payment to be 20% of the base price. So I'm going to do equals, take my base price times 0.20 for 20%. So 0.20, hit enter. So then my loan amount, just like we did for the car, equals the base price minus that down payment. That's the initial payment you make the second you take ownership of that house. So we're going to take a loan out from the bank for $231,920. So our next goal is to determine what is our monthly payment, because when you buy a house, you pay monthly, usually over the course of 30 years. So we are going to do one of those PMT functions again. So equals PMT, left parentheses. The first thing it says is our rate. So up here in our instructions, our rate is 4%. So 0.04, comma, the number of periods. Very common to do 30 years. So 30 is our number of periods, comma, and our present value. That is the loan amount. So again, we're going to do a negative sign or a minus sign and then select that loan amount. Of course, you could type in that amount, $231,920, but you could just click it and what's called reference the cell. So notice here it says negative F25, which is this cell right here. And then that just eliminates any typos that you might have, typing it by yourself. Then our right parentheses and divide by 12. So we get our monthly payment, 12 months in a year, and then hit enter. So our monthly payment would be $1,117.66. So just like we did up above on the car payment, we're going to decide, should we buy this house or not based on the monthly payment. So we are going to do an if function. So equals, if, number 6, it says, if the monthly payment is less than $1,000, then buy. So buy if the monthly payment is less than $1,000. So equals, if, left parentheses, so if this monthly payment is less than $1,000, comma, quotation mark, then we are going to say buy, quotation mark. Then, obviously, if it's not less than $1,000, then we are going to say don't buy. So we know that our monthly amount is over $1,000. So hopefully it says don't buy. Perfect. It does. And that is it for our home purchase. You'll do that 2 more times for 2 different addresses. Hopefully you can find a price so that you could buy one of these, and hopefully all 3 of them don't say don't buy.